good glow oil that can be used by any skin type. Dark skin, light skin, any skin shade can use this, meaning it is not going to darken you, and it is not a glow oil that is going to make you go white. You understand? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing this for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel we film about skincare, product review, supplement review, DIYs, everything concerning skincare. So if this is the kind of content you'd like to know about, you definitely want to subscribe to this channel. Yeah, babe, please, auntie, please, I beg you, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified each time once I drop a new video. Yeah, if you're new here, feel free to check around, check my previous video. A lot of recipes are hidden in my channel, so if you'd love to make anything, check around. And if you've not gotten what you want, kindly comment down below, tell me what you'd like me to drop next on this channel. I'll be happy to do that for you. So today, without wasting much time, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a glow oil. Yeah, this is a very good glow oil. The fact is, I don't think a lot of people still know how to do glow oil even till date. So I'll be giving you guys a very cheap recipe, a very simple recipe. You don't have to break a bank to make your own glow oil. Yes, this is a very good glow oil that can be used by any skin type. Dark skin, light skin, any skin shade can use this, meaning it is not going to darken you, and it is not a glow oil that is going to make you go white. You understand? So if you'd love to know how to make this glow oil, kindly stick around. So the first thing you'll be needing for your glow oil is your sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is a very good oil that penetrates into the skin. It absorbs into the skin really fast, and that is the reason why I so much love this oil. So the first thing you'll be needing is your sunflower oil. You need 100 ml of your sunflower oil. The next thing you need is your 1 minute neem oil. 1 minute neem oil is actually a brightening oil, so it is going to help this sunflower oil or this glow oil work effectively well. You understand? So the next thing you need is your 1 minute oil. You need 50 ml of your 1 minute oil. The next thing you need is your multivitamin oil. Yeah, Vit Gold oil rather. The next thing you need is your Vit Gold oil. Vit Gold has varieties. They have Vit Gold turmeric, Vit Gold multivitamin, Vit Gold spot corrector. They also have Vit Gold with vitamin C. So I would advise you either go for the Vit Gold spot corrector or Vit Gold turmeric. That Vit Gold turmeric is like the trending one actually, and it's very effective. Yes, for skin glowing, for skin radiance. Yeah, if you're this type that doesn't like applying cream, you just need something that will maintain that your skin shade and make it glow, make it like it won't darken you. Instead, it will give you a brighter shade. You understand? That's glowing skin. You need your Vit Gold oil. You need 100 ml of your Vit Gold oil. Yes, you need 100 ml of your Vit Gold turmeric oil. If you can't get the Vit Gold turmeric, you can also get the Vit Gold spot corrector, so you don't have to stay on one that you can't get it. Then you understand? If you don't get the Vit Gold turmeric, you can go get the Vit Gold spot corrector, or you get the Vit Gold with vitamin C. You need 100 ml of your Vit Gold oil. You need 1 bottle of your glutathione serum. Yeah, glutathione serum. There are a lot of glutathione serum out there, but I'll be placing a video of the particular serum I'm talking about, so you get the exact one I'm talking about. Meanwhile, I would also be dropping the recipe along the video, so you definitely want to watch this video to the end in order to get the exact recipe. So you need your glutathione serum, 1 bottle of your glutathione serum. You need 10 ml of your vitamin E oil. In order for your glowing oil not to have that horrible smell that you would not like, get the vitamin E oil that has a nice smell. You understand? So get 10 ml of your vitamin E oil. And the last thing you'll be needing for this oil is your propylene glycol. If you've been around on this channel, you know I like propylene glycol. Propylene glycol is good because it helps products penetrate into the skin. Yes, a lot of products might be active, but the fact that it doesn't penetrate into the customer's skin and they don't get their results from it, they tend to feel like your products are not active and all that. So this glow oil can be made to sell. Yeah, this is a complete recipe. This recipe, you can sell it out. You can even call it the oil of your choice. Just know this oil does not whiten. It only glows and brightens the skin, you understand? And this will be all you need for your glow oil. So if you've watched my videos to this extent, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. Thanks for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Until next time, peace out.